Maintenance in South African law, it is one of the most common questions we get. How do I claim maintenance, Aslam? How does maintenance work? That's exactly what we're going to be covering in today's video. What we find in South Africa is that when one party gets divorced, often we find that one spouse is actually in a better financial position than the other spouse. Maybe they've been working and the other spouse is a homemaker. Maybe the other spouse have been taking care of children, etc., etc. What happens to the maintenance in that situation? In South African law, a court has the power to issue a maintenance order. In other words, you can compel one spouse to maintain the other spouse and maintain the children. The reason why this is so is because maintenance for the children falls onto both parents. Both parents have a duty of support, and this duty of support lasts until the age of 18. That's the legal age of majority. Now, let's just say you've already been divorced. What happens then? How does maintenance work? You can still approach the maintenance court for help. This is located generally at your nearest local magistrates court. Whether one party must pay maintenance to the other party, to the spouse, former spouse, or the children, the maintenance court has the power to help you. And if you can't afford a lawyer, oftentimes you can have front desk or even legal aid be able to assist you for free. However, if you do want legal advice on maintenance, you're more than welcome to click the link below and get in touch with our officers. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.